Hello everyone, as you can see we have Admiral Piett in front of us. As you can see, this is an older figure. I don't know if you're in the same boat I am, but I am waiting on so many Black Series pre-orders to come in. I've got quite a few from GameStop, a number from Walmart, and a handful from Target as well. I'm just waiting patiently, or not so patiently, as I'm opening an older figure here. But I'm looking forward to taking a look at them, adding them to my collection, putting them with the other Imperial figures. So what we're going to do here is unbox the figure, take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back and talk about some of the things that I like and or dislike about the figure. So let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at the outside of the box. As you can see, it is the traditional red box Black Series figure. If we turn it to the side, we do not have an actual number designation, but we do have the Echo 2813 at the bottom there. And if we look at the back here, it says, Admiral Piett, an ambitious Imperial officer. Piett rose through the ranks to captain and was assigned to the Super Star Destroyer Executor, Darth Vader's flagship. When Darth Vader strangled Admiral Ozzel, Piett was granted a battlefield promotion to Admiral and given a grisly warning of the penalty for failure. All right, and then on the side, we've got his name, obviously. So let's go ahead and take him out of the packaging here. And as I'm going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you don't already subscribe, I invite you to do so. As we do on the channel, we're opening from the bottom. And take him out. Tend to like to leave that in there. Come back to it here. Got his blaster. Hat. Whew. Interesting. I was not expecting the rubber band here. Let's take that out, maybe. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything organized here and we'll be right back. All right, as you can see, we got everything cleaned up here. Let's go ahead and take a look at his hat. Hopefully we can get some focus. Maybe. There we go. Not sure what was going on there, but wow, really wants to focus on my hand. Hold on, let's try this. Still not any better. All right. Well, we can see it from the distance then. Hat's pretty basic. Let's make sure that it fits. There we go. That's not bad. Blaster. Maybe if we do this, let's go ahead and zoom out. There we go. Blaster. It's a standard blaster. Not much to talk about. I wish that sometimes they would add, a little bit of detail on these guys, especially since there is absolutely no place to put this blaster. So he's either going to be holding it or it's going to be on the ground. But anyways, so taking a closer look at him again, let's take off his hat. There's a little bit of up, down, not a whole lot. He is an older figure, like I said. So you get the little bit of the back and forth there. Head obviously all the way around. Shoulders, good shoulder movement. Take a look at his back. Got the little jacket here is the little the rubbery type material. Elbow, that's as high as that elbow is going to go, which is good. It's about 90 degrees. This is a left-right, and this is also a left-right. And you can see he's got a trigger finger on both sides there. Body, good twist. A little bit of twist, not much up and down, not much there either. Legs, good splits, full 360. And we've got the double knee, which doesn't really get you that much. I do like the pants. I think they did a good job there, and the boots as well. So let's go ahead and take some pictures. And this is usually where I find out the things that I like and or dislike about the figure here. All right, so I think that was a good look at the figure. I'm happy with him. You know, he was actually really cheap on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description, and you'll also see it on the Amazon storefront as well. Yeah, so he's looks like my battery died. Anyways, I mean, he's a good looking figure. Some things I like, detail here in the chest area. The belt is really good. You know, the boots, I think they did a really good job on. The face, I like as well. He's going to look good on the shelf with all the other Imperial officers, so looking forward to adding him to the collection. He's definitely limited. You know, I think he should have had a holster of some sort if he's going to come with the blaster. I always feel that way. Same thing with Jedi that come with lightsabers that don't have a hook or anything like that. But maybe that's just me. And if you're different, let me know down in the comment area as well. And like I said, the reason that I'm opening an older figure like this is because just I don't have access to any of the new figures. I know some of the stores have gotten them, but not any of the ones that I've gone to. I keep going every time that I think there might be a chance. Yeah, if you've had any luck with any of the recent waves, let me know which ones you picked up as well. So with that, if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. So we do a lot of things that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we also do other things as well, like home automation, going to theme parks, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.